Now once again I will be with you to teach you about how to perform a universal logic gate NOR gate practical on multisim. Previously I have already been taught you about how to perform NOR gate NAND gate practical on multisim. So now we see how to perform NOR gate. So first of all, click on MISC, then click on all groups, then go to MISC, sorry, click on MISC digital. Then which logic gate you want to perform? OR gate, NOR gate, the second universal gate, NOR gate. So see, there is NOR 2, okay, that is 2 input NOR gate. NOR 2 means 2 input NOR gate. So see, this one is my NOR gate. Before starting, first we have to have the knowledge that what is the meaning of NOR gate. Whenever any input is 1, output is 0. Whenever any input is 1, output is 0. Whenever both input are 0, then only the output 1. That is known as NOR gate. Any input 1 means short. If I connect a switch with the power supply, then whenever I press any switch of any input, then output will be 0. Both switches are pressed, then also 0. If second switch is pressed, first is not pressed, then also the output is 0. Any switch is pressed, any input is 1, output is 0. So now see, this one is NOR gate. We have to perform the practical. First of all, as I have already been taught you in case of NAND gate, connect the LEDs at the input and output side are actually the symbolic representation of 1 and 0. So go to MISC, then type all groups, then 3 LEDs we want. Let's suppose red for the output, yellow for one input, and this green for the second input. These LEDs are connected with the input terminals and output terminals with the help of current limiting resistance 100 ohm. So click, then register, then type 100 and OK. 100 ohm. This one is second 100 ohm and one is for output. This one is your third. Okay. To show you clearly, I just this separate from each other so you can easily see the connection. Okay. Okay. Now see, each 100 ohm positive terminal, that is anode of each LED, is connected with the 100 ohm, and 100 ohm is connected at the. You can rotate it also like this one. You can rotate it also if you wish to rotate it, no problem. How to rotate? Just right click, then rotate 90 degree clockwise. Okay. Now see, one point of each resistance, one side of each resistance is connected with the input and one side is connected with the output. So there are 300 ohm resistance, two input side 100 ohm resistance is connected with the one terminal of each input, and the output 100 ohm resistance is connected with the output terminal. One terminal of 100 ohm is connected with the output NOR gate. Second terminal of each 100 ohm is connected with the positive of, means anode side of LED, anode side of LED. The cathode of each LED is connected with the ground. So go to disk. Remember, power and power source, supply, ground, these all are always available in source group. So go to sources, then power sources, then ground. Yes. Kindly wait, I can separate it so you easily see this. Yes. Okay. So you are easily see the connections. Okay. So see very clearly, each negative terminal of LED is connected with the ground. This one is negative terminal actually, okay. And each positive terminal is connected with the 100 ohm resistance. Then the second point of 100 ohm is connected at the input side from the input terminal of NOR gate, and at the output side one terminal of 100 ohm is connected with the output terminal. Okay, the same circuitry which I taught you in NAND gate is also drawn here. Okay, now we require two switches to connect the input side of NOR gate with the power supply. So go to basic and then go to switch. Okay, one switch is, let's suppose the name is A, the second switch name is B. We change the name from A to B. Okay, so one switch is this one and second switch is this one. Okay, whenever switch is on it means 0, whenever switch is off it means 1. This is 0 1 0 1 like this one. Okay, so first switch is connected with the first input side, second is connected with the second input side. Okay, now these switches are connected with the power supply. So what is the required power supply for a logic gates? Generally the logic gates power supply is, so we click on sources, then click on power source, then go to VCC. Here automatically 5 volt VCC is there. If it is not 5 volt, then just click double left click, then we can change the power supply from here, the voltage, but we require 5 volt and by default it is 5 volt, so need not to change here. Now the current limiting resistors for the logic gate is also required, and that is of 1 kilo ohm. So go to basic and then resistor connected at the input side. Now the another terminal of 1 kilo ohm resistance is connected with the ground. So anywhere from anywhere you can just left click to ground and control C. It means it will be copy, then control V. So when you will copy, two times you need it to copy. So the 2 times you copy, just connect it. So now the NOR gate circuitry you designed. Now this is your NOR gate circuitry, complete design of NOR gate. Okay, now you wish to check it. So you have to click on run. Before run and see the result, keep in your mind what is NOR gate actually. NOR gate is what? Any input is 1, output is 0. Any input is 1, output is 0. Okay, now see. So any input is 1, output is 0. See here, no input is 1. कोई भी इनपुट 1 नहीं है, तो आउटपुट 0 नहीं, आउटपुट की एलईडी ग्लो करिए. Is it clear? Now let's suppose 0 1. This is 0 0 condition. So at 0 0 condition output is 1 because red LED glow now. At condition what will happen? See, 0, A is 0, B is 1. B is 1, that's why green LED now blue, because the LED glow and the output is still 0. output is still 0, because 0 was condition, so output is 0 now, because 1 is at input side. When any input is 1, output is 0. Now see the 1 0 case. So the second input is 1 and first input is 0. This is 1 0 case. So yellow LED is 1 because it is in glowing condition. Green LED is 0. Green LED is off, it means it is in 0 condition. So at 1 0, output is 0. Output is 0 because any input is 1, output is 1. Okay. Now the last case. 1 1. So see, first input is closed, so 1. First is closed, so 1. Second input is also closed, so 1. So both inputs are 1. Then output will be 0. Okay. So any input is 1, output is 0. In all the cases apart from 0 0, red LED is in off condition. So this is all about your NOR gate. Okay. So I think you understand about this NOR gate also. This is all about your NOR gate. Okay, dear. So we will in next lecture we will see another practical. Okay. So any problem regarding this?
No,
Any
sir.
problem regarding Amit and Ashish? Any problem?
No,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Very good. Very